Hello and welcome to Alt6. Today we are going to create a pen drive to install Kubuntu. First we need Zoofus. We'll search Zoofus in our browser. Open the first link. On the first link we will select the first item, Zoofus 4.3.exe. We can select x86 version also if you are using a 32-bit version of Windows. If you see, Zoofus will be downloaded in few seconds. You can see it's complete here. Now I will search for Kubuntu, which is the operating system which I will be installing. So the first result will be the Kubuntu. I will open that and go to the download page. Under download page we'll see few versions: Kubuntu 23.10, 23.04 and 22.04.3 LTS. So LTS version will have support till longer duration. It is ending in April 2025, so supports end on that date. But for 23.10, which we will be downloading, the supports end on July 24th. Since I have already downloaded it, I will cancel this download. Now let's go back to our Explorer. Here I will launch Zoofus. We can see Zoofus is open now. First thing we will select the drive. I have a 32 GB drive, Kingston. It has two partitions, so J and K is seen there, but it's totally fine. You can see one drive. Now in boot selection, select disk or ISO image and select the ISO file which we downloaded. Now we can move the persistent partition size if you want to make the changes stay there. If you do a live boot, then partition scheme will be selected at GPT and target system will be UEFI. The file system can be FAT, can be NTFS, that's upon you. Now you have to click on start. You will see two mode, write in ISO mode or DD mode. DD is disk image mode. So ISO is recommended. I will select ISO and click on OK. So once I click on OK, one pop-up will appear, data will be destroyed. Again confirmation will be there. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, your copy file and creation of the bootable pen drive starts happening. I have fast forwarded this specific area. So here we are about to get this device ready for booting. We can click on close to close Zoofus and the pen drive is ready to boot Kubuntu. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.